Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to install the Nothing Phone 2's official tempered glass. This costed me around 439 rupees and I bought it from Flipkart. Actual price of the product is rupees 399. Despite being the Plus member, I was charged 40 rupees extra for delivery charges. In the box we got a tempered glass, a wipe, an alignment frame, dust picking sticker and a plastic scraping card. The Nothing Phone 2 comes with a pre-applied thin screen protector which needs to be removed before applying the tempered glass. You need to keep the phone inside the alignment frame and wipe the screen to make sure it is fully clean, and now remove the adhesive cover from the tempered glass and place it perfectly on your phone screen. Make sure it is aligned 100% from end to end on all the sides. Once the glass is stuck on the screen, you need to use the plastic scraping card to remove the bubbles formed. As you can see, we had made a slight alignment mistake, so we are removing it and using the dust picking sticker to remove any dust if entered. You only get 1 to 2 chances before the tempered glass loses its gum and becomes unusable. So be very careful if you're going to apply the glass by yourself. Else you can go to any nearby store and get it installed by the experts to be on the safer side. I have been using the phone with tempered glass for a week now and the performance is great. There is absolutely no quality degrade in terms of the touch response and front camera. We have even played games and faster swiping gestures are also working fine. Since the tempered glass is made by Nothing themselves, the official back case of Nothing Phone 2 also fits properly. And most importantly, the fingerprint scanner is working perfectly fine, as you can see in the demonstration. Overall, our experience with this tempered glass is good. So if you want to buy, we have provided the link in the description. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.